Top tips to make your affiliate marketing more productive. If you are a business owner or potential business owner with a relatively good network of contacts, you may benefit from affiliate marketing. The concept of people working together to maximize cash flow across multiple platforms can be a wise choice. This video provides tips and advice for those interested in affiliate marketing. When writing copy for affiliate marketing advertising, do your research first. If you can, actually try out the product. The more you know about the item, the more information you'll be able to include in your review. Otherwise, you'll end up using meaningless adjectives and drivel to fill up space in your video. If you want to make more money, diversify the products that you sell. You can find a selection of products that a particular niche would be interested in and then focus your advertisement towards this niche. Another option could be to reach out to different niches. Both of these methods have been proven and you should find what works best for you. Once you get your site up and running and you are on your way making money, you should consider purchasing more sites and expanding your affiliate advertising possibilities. If you have more outlets for viewing, you will inevitably have more visitors click on your links, giving you more money in the long run. Be wary of affiliate marketers that do not offer real-time customer tracking services. An affiliate that cannot show a webmaster the traffic flowing from his or her site to the affiliate's site is possibly an affiliate looking to cheat the webmaster. Affiliates that rely solely on testimonials on past performance are even worse. How an affiliate used to do business has nothing to do with how they do business now. Affiliate marketing is a reasonable approach because there is very little risk to either party. With the advice in this video, you should be ready to try your hand at a bit of affiliate marketing and bring in some extra cash. Now that you have been told the basics of affiliate marketing, the next thing is to join an affiliate marketing program. Traffic is the lifeblood of affiliate marketing. I have very good news for you. You can get highly targeted traffic from YouTube at just 3 clicks of the mouse. How? By using a software called Widely. Widely allows you to create and rank articles and videos with only 3 clicks. You don't need to create an article, create backlinks, or know SEO technique. The software does it for you. These are some of the things that the software will do for you. 1. Reverse engineers Google and Yahoo ranking system. 2. Finds untapped, buyer keywords that can easily be exploited. 3. Gets you ranked thanks to Perfect SEO optimized titles, DSC and tags. 4. Works in English, French, or any other language, and in any niche. 5. Drives 100% free visitors from Google and YouTube. 6. Tap into the massive potential of SEO without actually knowing SEO. Best of all, if you have any doubt, try for 30 days and if for any reason you are not 100% satisfied, you will get your money back 100%. For a similar platform on the internet, you will be paying a minimum of $97 a month. But with Vividly, you will make only a one-time payment of $47 if you purchase directly from the original creators by clicking the link in the description. Click the link in the description to learn more.